Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create AI song cover. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened a website to create AI song cover. You need to open up your browser and you have to search for this website, topmediai.com, and then we're going to select the AI tools and then choose the AI song cover. Okay, this one. Select the AI song cover, and then I'm going to click on Get Started Free. And then we're going to enter the model we want to use. For instance, I'm just going to use Ariana Grande. Okay, and I'm going to click to upload or drop an audio file right here, and I'm just going to choose this audio. Okay, then we can click on Generate AI Cover. Okay, it's almost done, guys. Okay, and now the AI song cover has been created, and this is the result. I'm going to play it to take a look at the result, guys. I'm afraid of the copyright, so I'm not gonna continue it. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create AI song cover. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.